Hi there, it's me again, Cynthia from AutoMecho services, and today we're talking about your car Kickstarter. Most of you think you save fuel when you do this. You, yes, you. So what do? Whenever you are in traffic, you turn off your car and later turn it on when the traffic moves. Una think say una dey manage fuel. Abeg ma gist una. Do you know your car consumes more fuel whenever you turn on your ignition than when it's running? The off and on you are doing stresses the Kickstarter and will one day destroy your Kickstarter if you keep doing it. So you have to stop the off and on habit because one day your car might not start again because you have destroyed the Kickstarter. So make una stop to dey manage fuel for inside traffic. For more tips on car maintenance and appointment booking, visit our website today.